Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Without any further ado, let's start with the second episode of Infra Updates. First story is coming from Tamil Nadu. Indian multinational conglomerate Larsen Tubro has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to establish a data center at state's Kanchipuram. The MOU was signed at Coimbatore by L&T. L&T will establish 90 megawatt capacity data centers and associated units in a phased manner in Kanchipuram over the next 5 years. The company envisages to employ around 1,100 people, out of which 600 direct and 500 indirect people will be given jobs in the project. The Tamil Nadu government will provide uninterrupted power supply and other infrastructural support on a best effort basis that will bring tangible economic and social benefits to the people of the state. Commenting on this occasion, L&T MD and CEO Azim Premji said, Tamil Nadu is on a growth trajectory and we are delighted to partner with the government of Tamil Nadu to propel this growth by building a data center that will further trigger development by attracting investments and generating jobs for the people of Kanchipuram. L&T will be establishing hyperscale data centers at Kanchipuram to provide comprehensive solutions and end-to-end data center services with multi-cloud managed and cybersecurity services, digital transformation integration services and application integration services as well. Second story is making its way from Pharma Sector. The Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilisers on Friday stated that a total of 55 companies are set to benefit from the production-linked incentive scheme approved in February to boost domestic drug production. The financial outlay under the PLI scheme is 15,000 crore. The ministry said it received a total of 278 applications, out of which 55 applicants were selected. The scheme called for applications under 3 different product categories. The first category included biopharmaceuticals, complex generic drugs, patented drugs or drugs nearing patent expiry, cell-based or gene therapy drugs, orphan drugs, special empty capsules like HPMC. The second category covered active pharmaceutical ingredients or key starting materials, drug intermediates and various other medicines as well. According to the ministry, companies like Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Lupin, Mylan, Cadila, Cipla among others will be the beneficiaries. The cabinet approval, as the ministry said, was in line with the strategy of Atmanirbhar Bharat to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities by increasing investment and production and boosting exports in 10 sectors. The scheme also aims to contribute to product diversification to high-value goods in the pharma sector. One of the future objectives of the scheme is to create global champions out of India who have the potential to grow in size and scale using cutting-edge technology and thereby penetrate the global value chains. In the times to come, major companies will start setting up their plants in various states and provide jobs to thousands of people. Our third story is coming from Haryana. Maruti Suzuki Toyotsu India commenced the operation of its end-of-life vehicles scrapping and recycling unit. Notably, the facility was inaugurated by Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari. The 10,993 square meter facility has a capacity to scrap and recycle over 24,000 ELVs annually. It has been built with an investment of over 44 crore. The facility uses modern and technological advanced machines to dismantle and scrap ELVs in a scientific manner. Besides, aligning with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the company said that all the equipment being used at the facility is manufactured in India. Meanwhile, Gadkari ji did not back from asking the company to set up more of these plants across the nation, as it would help to build and create an ecosystem of similar scrapping and recycling units across the country. Eventually, this would make the roads safer, air cleaner and the raw material cheaper for their cars. Moving to the fourth story, which is making its way all the way from Meghalaya. In a first in a country, a drone was successfully deployed to deliver medicines to a remote primary health center in Meghalaya's West Khasi Hill district, which is 25 km away from the district headquarters. Not to everyone's surprise, drone technology can change the future of healthcare. This is a unique project that will transform the healthcare supply chain to a hard-to-reach population. According to the Chief Minister, the tech support was provided by the innovation team Tech Eagle Smart Village Movement in collaboration with the State Health Department. And eVTOL, which stands for Virtual Takeoff and Landing, drone Aquila X2 was used for the deliveries. Nonetheless, it is for sure that the product is a future-ready model of delivery. The deployment of a drone to deliver medicine was undertaken on a pilot basis, and therefore it was successful in reducing the time from 3 hours to less than half an hour. The fifth update is coming from Jharkhand. Wipro's founder chairman Azim Premji evinced interest in investing in Jharkhand during a video conference with Chief Minister Hemant Soren. The state government, quoting Premji, said that Azim Premji Foundation and Wipro want to work in coordination with the state government in the field of quality higher education and health. Azim Premji Foundation is fully prepared for the establishment of Azim Premji University in Jharkhand, establishment of state-of-the-art medical college and hospital for health and IT park, etc. that will generate jobs. To pin this point, Wipro's Azim Premji donated 9,713 crore or 27 crores a day to retain his top position among Indian philanthropists list according to the India Philanthropy List 2021. It goes without saying that after the formation of the state, the economic, social and educational sector has not developed as much as it should have been. The state government must work in tandem with private corporates and ensure commitment for positive change in all these areas. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated, and also press the bell icon positively. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.